Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Transitions are a powerful way to create smooth, professional-looking cuts between your video clips, and mastering them will instantly elevate the quality of your edits. Let's jump right in and get your footage flowing beautifully. First, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once the program loads up, look down at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll be working with your timeline and clips. Now that you're in the Edit tab, locate the video clip where you want to add a transition. Click directly on that clip to select it. This step is important because it tells DaVinci Resolve exactly which clip you're working with. Once your clip is selected, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Timeline. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for managing your clips. From this menu, select Add Transition. This applies a default transition to your selected clip, creating that smooth blend between scenes. At this point, you've got a transition in place, but you'll probably want to customize it to fit your project's style. To do this, head over to the upper right corner of your screen and click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is your control center for fine-tuning nearly every aspect of your clips and effects. Within the Inspector, click on the Transition tab. This opens up all the settings specifically related to your transition. Now you can see the current transition type that's been applied. Right beside it, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available transition styles DaVinci Resolve offers. You can browse through options like crossfades, wipes, and more creative effects. For this example, let's choose Blur Dissolve. This creates a soft, blurred blend between your clips that looks polished and professional. If you want to adjust how long the transition lasts, that's simple too. Just below the transition type, you'll see a field labeled Duration. This controls exactly how many seconds your transition takes to complete. Click into the Duration field, type in your desired number of seconds, and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. The transition length will update immediately, giving you precise control over the pacing of your edit. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a transition in DaVinci Resolve, giving your video a smooth, professional flow between clips. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.